Good afternoon, civil engineering class. Let's be attentive, please.
Good afternoon to you too, Mr. Bartlick.
All right, class. Today let's expound on post-tension slabs. We want to discuss what is post-tension slab, why is it used, the advantages and disadvantages of the post-tension slab. Is it okay, class?
Yes, that's a good topic. It will help us understand for our site work.
Very well, let's begin then. It's no secret why builders use post-tensioning systems in their construction. These systems are critical to strengthening concrete used in modern large-scale building projects. The same argument applies to post-tension slabs, a method used when pouring the slab foundation in commercial or residential construction. This discussion we are further exploring post-tension slabs and some of the advantages and challenges of their usage in construction projects.
Mr. Bartlick, do you mean that post-tension slab is only used in large commercial buildings?
No, Mrs. Green, that is not the point, but mostly it's applicable in massive construction projects.
All right, sir.
The concrete industry started experimenting with strategies and techniques to strengthen and reinforce concrete in the 1950s. The pre-stressing concept, now a standard in residential and commercial building construction, involves using a steel cable or tendon to squeeze and compress concrete before the concrete endures a structural load. As the construction industry continued refining its techniques to standardize press stressing, most builders eventually began using post-tensioning techniques for reinforced concrete slab foundations. Post-tension slabs contain a tendon, or steel cable, that runs crisscross throughout the center of the slab after the concrete has already hardened. As the poured concrete dries, the post-tension cables stretch and tighten, which applies a significant force to the concrete slab. This technique strengthens and compresses the concrete, which helps reduce cracking and structural instability caused by unstable soil conditions in marshes, swamps, and lake areas. The process helps residential homes and commercial buildings achieve greater load-bearing strength. Post-tension slabs are more durable and stable than traditional slabs that lack the reinforcement of steel cables.
Therefore, can we say that the reinforcement of post-tension slab is done using steel cables and not reinforcement bars?
Yes, that's right, and on our green wall you can see the illustration.
Yes, that's right, I can see the illustration, sir.
Why use post-tension slabs? Concrete slabs have inherent structural weaknesses. They are especially susceptible to expansion and contraction due to seasonal fluctuations and changing temperatures. Anyone that has experienced winter knows that thawing temperatures usually lead to potholes, broken water mains, and cracks in the pavement. Concrete slabs are no exception. The swelling and contraction of soils based on their contact with water is another element that adversely affects the integrity of concrete slabs. Poor and unstable soils found in can lead to issues with soil expansion, making it difficult for builders to lay concrete slabs. Builders depend on post-tension slabs to reduce the risks of cracking, contraction, and soil expansion and strengthen the foundation's structural integrity.
Mr. Bartlick, therefore can we say that post-tension slab is effective at places where we have soil with low or weak bearing capacity?
Yes, that could be correct. Post-tension slabs. Potential challenges: post-tension slabs are stronger than traditional concrete slabs. However, that does not necessarily mean a post-tension slab is without challenges.
What are the challenges of post-tension slabs, sir?
Long-term planning: post-tension slabs are an excellent foundation for a new structure, but builders must plan accordingly for proper drainage. Gutters, downspouts, roof pitches, and balconies redirect rainfall. Builders need to be aware of the location of drainage as it can seep into the foundation and lead to cracks.
Therefore, post-tension slab needs long-term planning on how to execute it.
Yes, that's correct. Good things aren't cheap and cheap things aren't good. Laying the foundation of a post-tension slab requires professional workers, quality materials, and expert knowledge to understand the job's complexity. In the building and construction industry, it's essential to research the service provider and contractors you partner with before signing a contract.
From that point, does it mean it is complicated to execute than traditional reinforced concrete?
Very well, yes. Check the drawing. Again, since post-tension slabs require the addition of steel tendons to strengthen and reinforce the concrete, the tendons must precisely align as shown on the drawing. Improper tendon locations can cause uplifting, as the tendon applies more force than the weight of the concrete. As a result, the concrete might be physically lifting the slab. The advantages of post-tension slabs, aside from producing crack-free tennis courts, smooth parking garages, and a secure foundation for someone's new home, post-tension slabs offer builders an array of advantages compared to traditional concrete slabs. Here are a few of the major benefits. Cost savings: post-tension slabs require less concrete than traditional ones, saving builders money. Post-tension slabs are an investment that helps homeowners reduce the risks of concrete contraction and cracks, which inevitably costs money to repair. That's why post-tension slabs are an initial investment worth it in the long run.
Therefore, in terms of total cost of doing post-tension slab is cheaper than the traditional reinforced slab.
Yes, that's the point, Madam Green. Shed some weight, a lighter yet stronger slab of concrete allows builders to design their structure with less material and overall surface space, providing more space to build supporting pillars, walls, columns, and beams. Post-tension slabs are also thinner, giving builders more creative freedom when designing floors. Minimize risks: no matter how much planning goes into a construction project, things happen, and the idea for builders is to minimize risks. Post-tension slabs may help prevent cracks from forming, but concrete is not immune to the elements. The good news is that if cracks form on post-tension slabs, they are held together and do not spread as quickly as those on traditional foundation slabs. Therefore, post-tension slabs are a more durable solution.
Okay, that's good to know.
Look to the experts when it comes to building repair services. Commercial and residential structures require rational planning and maintenance. Whether your building has a traditional concrete slab or a reinforced post-tension slab, building owners need to maintain the structure's integrity.
Very well, Mr. Bartlick. Now I understand what post-tension slab is, why it is used, its advantages over the traditional reinforced concrete slab. Thank you, sir.
All right, that's good of you. And for others, make sure you catch up. Next time we will cover something else. Have a good day.